Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have some exciting and slightly bittersweet news from the world of Audi. If you've been following our updates, you know that the coupe and convertible versions of the Audi A5, along with the sporty S5, won't be making it to 2025. But that's not all. The beloved A4 sedan is also on its way out, although a few models will continue to be built into 2025. So, what's going on with the A4? Well, blame it on the name change or the dwindling sedan sales, but Audi has decided to replace the A4 with the new A5. But hold on, the new A5 isn't just any hatchback. Audi is calling it a sedan. Yeah, you heard that right, a hatchback sedan. First off, the new A5 is built on Audi's last new internal combustion platform, the Premium Platform Combustion, PPC. It's making its debut with both the A5 Sportback and the more powerful S5 Sportback. For our friends in Europe, you'll also get a wagon version known as the Avant in Audi-speak. Dear viewers, we offer you for affordable prices advertising your business and any cooperation on our channel. For more information, you can write us in the comments and in social networks. The new A5 is larger in every dimension, 2.6 inches longer, 0.5 inches wider, and 0.6 inches taller, with a wheelbase stretched by 3.1 inches. This primarily enhances the interior space, making it more comfortable for everyone inside. Now let's talk about that striking exterior. The front end is dominated by a large grille opening, flanked by daytime running lights, DRLs made up of 60 OLEDs. These DRLs can be configured in several patterns, giving you some customization options. Just below the DRLs are the sleek LED headlights. At the back, we have the signature wraparound taillights that you can customize if you're outside the US. Under the hood, the US-bound A5 offers two engine choices. The standard A5 comes with a 268 horsepower 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine featuring Audi's first use of a variable turbine turbocharger. If you're looking for more power, the S5 boasts a twin turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 with 362 horsepower. Both engines are paired with dual clutch automatics and a hybrid system that includes a 24 horsepower electric motor with 170 pound-feet of torque connected to the transmission output shaft. Step inside the A5, and you're greeted by a futuristic interior dominated by a massive curved glass panel on the dashboard, which Audi calls the digital stage. This panel houses two large screens that curve towards the driver, creating a cockpit-like feel. The 11.9-inch gauge and information cluster directly in front of the driver displays everything from speed and fuel level to navigation and audio information. Unfortunately, you can't select different types of gauges anymore. In the center, there's a huge 14.5-inch touchscreen for vehicle settings, climate controls, audio, and navigation. It's incredibly responsive and intuitive, making it easy to navigate even without CarPlay or Android Auto. And for an extra touch of luxury, you can opt for a 10.9-inch screen for the passenger and a head-up display that provides crucial driving information right on the windshield. In conclusion, the new 2024 Audi A5 is more than just a name change. It's a complete overhaul, blending cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and a refined design. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive updates, and let us know your thoughts on the new A5 in the comments below. Until next time, and see you soon.